One guy down. I'm with you, Roth.
I got one. Nice, guys. All three of us. Way to do.
I only got one kill.
That dude came crawling across right in front of me, and I was like, hello. Nice to see you.
Where they were.
Nice.
Because I was
I thought they
scanning
were
to the
in
right,
circle.
because I was like, if it was me, I'd swing around in the blue and then try to come up the hill, and that's exactly what he did.
Nice job, Roth. I had
Lucky, you must have killed like 9 people.
7.
Jeez, you killed that whole boat.
Yeah, the boat just rolled in. Each one of them took like one shot.
Wow, they had level 3 helmets too. What were
Yeah.
you shooting?
I was shooting my silenced Scar.